Family, today my guys are sending me to talk about the parents that gave birth to the generation that we have today, kids that are beyond 2021. I'll be talking about someone who's along in 1971, someone that is actually from that age and beyond, Abanbo 79, Gen X or whatever. Guys, do you know that most of us are the first time volunteer souls? We've never been here, Tina. We've never been here. That's why amaqwa walendawo sikwazi ukuwamela. Sizeza souls zithe xa ilineages zethu zibona ukuthi yo kudala sithumela abantu bangade bayenze le mission sibathumele yona. Sa volunteer Tina sathi you know what, ithi ndiye mna ndiyokulungisa. Safika apha. Ukufika kwethu, we have survived a lot. We disconnect with a lot of things that are happening here. We are the ones that are here to shake the tables bethunana. Sizaza star seeds kuthiwa zi-volunteer star seeds. Thina siyi version 1 of the awakening bethunana. Ningazilibali. Ndifuna niyazi ba what have you survived? You survive ikhokho bethunana. Sisurvive ikhokho. This is how the system ibiqhela usebenza. Ithi xa ifuna ukuphungula abantu or ifuna udisrupta yenze chaos, ifike ilahlele isifo esithile so that abantu bagule kuthintini, kubekho la chaos, kube abantu babe newari ba siyafa ngoku. Thina sasike sathini sasa relaxa because kaloku thina we do not siyijongile yonke lento bayenzayo. Thina asingaba abantu bathi xa begqojongene nengxaki sibe sitatazele. Singabantu abayibuka ingxaki sibone ukuthi how can I sort this out? Size sizolungisa lonto le. So my family, as of tonight at 6 p.m. namhlanje, we are talking about these kinds of topics bethunana. I'm here to tell you that you the misfits, nina kumane kuthiwa haya ni gugi, you are gugi, you are nibahle, you the 1971 and beyond bethunana age, come forward. Ningayiphoswa ile live here today. It's one of the best that I've done. Actually the second best, because I believe also the one last week was one of my best ones. So join me bethunana, let's have a soul time download. I have been sent by my guides to give you the scope of who you are and why did you give birth to abantwana sithetha ngabo namhlanje. Love and light family, apho namba khona khokhela ukukhanya, apho niphila khona khokhela ukukhanya. Peace out family.